Hi friends, my name is Pratyasha. Today we will be learning about base number systems. So first let's understand what a number system is. A number system is a system that expresses its numbers. A number system represents its numbers using digits or symbols depending on what the number system is. Now we have to remember something before we actually understand what base number systems are. We have to remember that the same sequence of digits or symbols in a number system are different in different number systems and represent different numbers. So let's take an example. For example, if we had the digits 2 and 7, it would be written differently in different number systems, and it would also be represented as a different number in different number systems. So for example, if we said that the digits 2 and 7 will be understood in the decimal number system and the octal number system. So for example, the decimal number system, it would be represented as either 27 or 27 in parentheses like this. And for the octal number system, it would be written as, so for the octal number system, written as 27 base 8. So here, they are different in different number systems, and the different number systems also represent the same sequence, but represent the different numbers. So this is what that rule represents and helps us understand. So now we understood what a number system is, we will be learning about these 4 types of number system: the decimal number system, the binary number system, and the octal number system, and the hexadecimal number system. So let's get started. So the first type of number system that we're going to take a look at is the most commonly used number system, which is the decimal number system. This number system was made so we can count with our 10 fingers. So therefore, this number system is a base 10 number system. We can also say that this base number system is a base 10 number system because of the keyword deci, which refers to 10, and this is a base 10 number system. So this number system is a base 10. So the digits in this number system are between 0 and 9, which are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. These digits, using these digits, we can make some numbers that will refer to the base 10 number system. So some examples that we can take a look at can be maybe 64, 23. So here, one thing we have to remember is that when we're comparing with the decimal number system, we have to write the base like this. But when we're not comparing with any number and we're just writing it and using it day-to-day life, then we normally write it like a whole number, because this decimal number system is by default a number system where we don't have to use the base while using it in day-to-day life. But for comparing, we have to mention the base so it would be easy for us to compare. So the second base number system that we're going to take a look at today is the binary number system. So this number system, from the keyword by, we can say that it's being referred to as 2 because by means 2. So this is a base 2 number system. This is a base 2 number system. So here, since it's a base 2 number system, the only digits that we use in this number system are 0 and 1. So we use only 0 and 1. Here, this number system is a number system that computers use. So when we use some examples of write numbers using these, for example, like 10 or 101, we don't actually say like 10 or 101. We actually say it as 10 or 101. This is because if we were to say it as 10, normally when we say the decimal number system, the same digits 1 and 0, we say it as 10. So if we pronounce it as 10, we can classify it as the decimal number system. But this number system and the number in this number system is being referred to in the binary number system. Therefore, we have to say it as 10 base 2, because this number system, unlike the decimal number system, is an default number system. So therefore, we have to write it as base 2. And if we don't, again, like I said, it would classify it as 10. And when we say 10 here, we're referring to as a base number system. So that's why we say it as 10 to the base 2. So we shouldn't write it without the base, otherwise it would classify it as the base 10 number system. So the next number system that we're going to take a look at today is the octal number system. The octal number system, from the keyword octa, we can say that it's being referred to the base number system 8. So this is a base 8 number system. So here, since it's a base 8 number system, the digits that we use in this number system are between 0 and 7. So we use 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So some examples that we can write using these digits for this number system can be, for example, 4, 2, and 5, 3. So here, just like the binary number system, we have to write it and identify its base. So since this is a base 8 number system, we have to write 42 base 8. And we also have to pronounce it as 42, not 42. Otherwise, it would take it to the decimal number system. And therefore, it's the same if we don't write the base or identify its base. So here we also have to do the same for 5, 3 and put it as base 8. So now we know what the octal number system is. So the next number system that we're going to take a look at today is the hexadecimal number system. So in this number system, we actually have a combination of 2 parts. The first part is hexa, which means 6. And the second part is deci, which means 10. And since this is a combination, we add them and we get 16. So this number system is a base 16 number system. So this is a base 16. So when we say that we have the 2 combinations, 6 and 10, both of these combinations will represent 2 things, such as for the 10, it will represent 10 digits like in the decimal number system, which are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So the digits for 10 is in between 0 and 9. So for the next part of this combination, which is 6, the digits will be represented by letters such as A, B, C, D, E, and F. So here, like I said, the letters will represent digits. A will represent 10, B will represent 11, C will represent 12, D will represent 13, E will represent 14, and F will represent 15. So here together we have a combination of 16 digits that represent this hexadecimal number system. So some examples that we can take a look at using the digits in the hexadecimal number system can be, for example, 43, and 5D. So here we use the digits, the two digits here, which is 4 and 3, and one digit, and a letter that would represent another digit. So here we use the hexadecimal number system's digits. So here, just like the octal number system and the binary number system, we have to actually mention the base, such as like this. So since it's a base 16 number system, we have to mention it as 16. And same for 5D. We also have to pronounce it the same way, such as 4-3, base 16, and 5D, base 16. So today we learned about the 4 different types of number systems, which was the decimal number system, the binary number system, the octal number system, and the hexadecimal number system. So we can make our own number systems, such as base 5 number system, base 3 number system, base 11 number system. And when we're creating our number system's digits, we have to remember that we have to include 0, and the digits have to be less than our base number. For example, if in base 5 we were to create it, the digits have to be between 0 and 4, because 4 is the lowest number from 5, which is our base. And we also have to include 0. So in the next video, we will learn how to convert a number system to another number system. So hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching, and bye!